To make the life easier to more than 20 villages at Boha Kangtui, Upper Deopani, falling under Deopani constituency, the construction of RCC bridge at Arnam Langpi River was constituted 5 years ago, but it was left incomplete since then. As soon as monsoon season begins, the citizens of Upper Deopani often get disconnected from the mainland, as a bridge at Arnam Langpi is the only lifeline to more than 20 villages in the region. This unfortunate circumstances is repeated every year. The citizens of Upper Deopani had submitted several memorandums, and also several media coverage had also been given over the incompletion of the bridge. Therefore, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbianglong Autonomous Council, on considering the plea of the citizens of Upper Deopani, inspected the site of construction on 14 July and assured the completion of RCC bridge by April 2023. During the site inspection over the progress of the construction of the bridge, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbianglong Autonomous Council, was accompanied by Surya Rongpar, MSc Borjan, Sraban Telenga, MSc Deopani, and residents of the local villages. It was reported that former MSc of Deopani, Mukut Mahanta, did not initiate any developmental projects and schemes in Karbi-dominated areas due to his discrimination and partiality over Karbi and non-Karbi in his constituency. Therefore, the completion of the bridge was not done till today. But the recently elected MSc from Deopani constituency, Sraban Telenga, without any discrimination, put forward the demands to CEM of Karbianglong Autonomous Council, and upon his request, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang visited the site to ensure the completion of the bridge and to fulfill the desire of Upper Deopani. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbianglong Live.